guys, I'm sure today we have planned to pour concrete for interior footing for my project here. You can see we poured this interior footing just to grade 1'4" below finished floor elevation, and they have the mark over there. So here we are 1'4", and we have the measurement here center to center. Okay, and that's number 2, and we are working to finish to grade number 3 interior footing. This track is number 3, and you can see we will level it. That the bottom elevation for the 2x4 is the finish grade for the interior footing, 1'4" below finish floor elevation. As you can see, tiny piece of plate, 1" plate, 4 inches and 4 inches. It's welded at the top and bottom, and that's everywhere. And we are pouring concrete here. We have rebar number 6, 2 mud with the standees. You can see the standees here, and we try to pour as slow as a tulip. Make sure everything will stay in place. And you can see we are using vibrator. Make sure everything will be poured solid. And as I said, the concrete slump is great, 4, and the air contains 1.5. That's marked the structural notes. And we ordered 3000 psi. That's for interior footing. And we are using vibrator. You can see all the way at the corner and below the anchor bolts. Make sure no air space and solid. You can see we put it fast, 1 2 3, and take it up, 1 2 3, take it up. Okay, and pull slow, make sure. And we will put vibrator where is the anchor bolt. That's most important, and at the corners. Amigo. Yeah. Where's the anchor bolt, please? Yeah. Okay, we'll go. Where's the anchor bolt? Yeah. Make sure it's good. Yeah. Keep it good. Yeah. That's the most important place. Closer to the anchor bolt. Okay, guys. And yeah, keep working. Good. Yeah, you can see here leveling. As I said, the bottom of the 2x4 here, this is the finished concrete, finished level, and we try to make it good, especially under the interval here. And we have a rebar mat. So you can see that's rebar mat here. It is number 6, 10 each direction. You can see here 2 mat with standees. That is the standees. And as I said, here we have anchor bolt, and at the bottom this is the 1/2" plate, and here the nut is welded. You can see at the top and at the bottom. Okay, guys, that's good structural. Okay, and you can see here that the temporary plate, we made it here on site, plate of the plywood. And so the measurement center to center, in this direction is good, in other direction is good, everything is square. And we are using here torsion tape around the footers for safety. Okay, and you can see here we have a orange safety cup. Okay, safety first, everything is safe. Okay, guys, so this one is done. That's track number 3. So we poured 30 cubic yard, 3000 psi. We ordered today 150 cubic yard plus to finish the footers this side and in this side and the interior footing. Okay guys, this video about how to pour concrete for interior footings and exterior footers and make it level and to grade and all the notes per structural drawing with anchor bolts and digging for dirt. Okay, we passed inspection. So guys, if you like this video, please just like and share, subscribe, and if you have any question, let me know. Thank you guys, bye.